have arrived in Bologna. First impressions are so good. I'm gonna give you an apartment tour a bit later in this video. First things first, getting some lunch, arranging a SIM card and checking out a new gym. Okay, so what's a better way to start off your first day or evening in Italy?
Walking through the badass.
No, of course, with pizza. So that's what we're going to get for dinner. We're on our way to a restaurant right now to get some delicious classic Italian pizza. So I'm very excited for probably one of many this month. We have chosen for restaurant Orton, and they have all different kinds of pizzas, but they also have like signature cocktails going with the pizza. I think it's such a fun concept. Good morning from our first full day in Bologna. I actually slept pretty well. It always takes just a bit of adjusting when arriving at a new location, but luckily it went pretty well last night. It got very quiet and the apartment is absolutely amazing, and that's why I'm also back again, because I still need to show you the whole apartment, or more, it's almost like a house. Or well, it's located inside of a house. So I'm super excited to show you in a second. But first I wanted to mention that I totally forgot to update you yesterday, but I mentioned that we needed to arrange a gym. And we checked one out, but we weren't really comfortable with that one, so we decided to not go for it. So now we're checking out if we want to go to another gym or work out in a different way for the next 4 weeks. So that isn't arranged yet. We also did some groceries. We'll be doing some more groceries later on. But I'm so excited about this new Airbnb, because we are renting for the next 4 weeks through Airbnb to show you around. So I'm gonna head outside first to like the garden or the front porch and show you around, because this Italian house is amazing. Welcome to the official Italian home tour, the place where we'll be staying for the next few weeks. We're staying in this lovely Italian home. We have an apartment on the top floor and it's absolutely amazing. So it's time to show you around our stay for the whole month of August. The house is behind me, but a quick side note before we get really started, and that is that for this apartment for a whole month
we're paying around $1,800, which is a bit on the pricier side for us personally. We like to keep our accommodation cost a bit lower normal, as this is our last stay in Europe and we really wanted to visit a place like Bologna here in Italy. We just thought, let's just make a one-time exception for this apartment. So $1,800 for a whole month, and that is of course rented through Airbnb. But let's get started.
So, what do you think of the new Airbnb and the stay for the upcoming month of August? I'm so freaking excited. It's such a lovely home, and the hosts are both also incredibly nice. And I think it's just going to be such an exciting time here for the next few weeks. Also, because this is our last destination of like this adventure, we are actually calling it like chapter two of our whole new journey that we started last year when starting full-time traveling. So I couldn't imagine a better way to end it here in Bologna, Italy, in this amazing Airbnb. For now, that's also everything that I wanted to show you in this first arrival video. Of course, there's coming a lot more content of Bologna. I mean, we have just arrived and there are so many amazing things to see, explore, delicious food to try, of course. But for now, thank you so much for joining me along on this video. I hope to see you at the next one. Don't forget to subscribe to not miss it. It's much appreciated. And then, yeah, thank you. Have a lovely day. Bye.